Hello, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. Now today I'll be showing you how I make my version of the curry goat. So guys, before we jump into the video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. So guys, let's get started. So here I have some goat already washed with vinegar, and I have some seasonings. So I have some garlic powder, all-purpose, black pepper, seasoning salt, complete seasoning, and turmeric powder. And for my green seasoning blend, I have a bunch of seasoning. I have some onion, bell peppers, pimento seed, garlic, cilantro, ginger. I will leave a link for a full detailed recipe down in the description box so you could go ahead and check it out. I'm just going to go ahead and puree this. I normally have this in my refrigerator, but today I'm all out, so I decided to just do a little bit just for my curry goat. Now that everything is nice and pureed, I'm just going to go ahead and season my goat. I'm going to add about a couple tablespoons of this stuff. You could add as much or as little as you like, and this has everything in it except my powdered seasoning. So I'm just going to go ahead and add my seasoning and massage this. I did this overnight, but if you don't have overnight time, 2 or 3 hours is good enough. I'm going to cover and place in the refrigerator until the next day. Fast forward to the next day, I went ahead and peeled some potatoes. I have some bell peppers, carrots, scallion, thyme, onion, and some hot pepper. So I'm just going to cut these up because these are going to be added once my goat is cooked. So you could always prep in advance, or you could prep meanwhile the goat is cooking. And I'll be using some baby potato in this, but of course you could use regular potatoes, or if you don't like potatoes, you could just totally leave it out. Now guys, these are just to add some flavors after me cooking the goat, because I've been adding a little bit of water until the goat is fully cooked. So guys, these seasonings are already on the goat, so this is just reinforcement. So like the thyme and everything, that's already in the green season mix. So this is just to flavor the pot for the finished product. Now I'm just going to go ahead and add some coconut oil to my pot, and I'm going to toast my curry powder. I would say burn, but I don't want you to literally burn the curry, so I'm just going to say I'm going to toast the curry. And I'll be using the Better Pack curry here, and I'll be using the entire pack. But of course you could use whatever brand curry you have. You are not limited to just the Better Pack, but in my opinion the Better Pack curry is the best curry to use. And I'm going to toast this up for a little bit, and then I'm going to go ahead and add my goat. Now at this point, you could totally use your pressure cooker or slow cooker, whatever you have, to speed up time, but I'll be doing it on the stove top because cooking it long and slow makes for a better flavor in my opinion. Now I'm just going to cover this and allow it to sweat and release some of its juices. And I'm going to give this a good toss, and I'm going to add warm water periodically until it's fully cooked. So you don't want to drown it, you want to keep an eye on it, and each time the water reduces, you add a little bit more until the goat is fully cooked or it reached to your desired doneness and tenderness. So I'm just going to rinse out that same pan with some warm water and add it to my goat, and I'm going to cover and allow it to cook. Now, it depending on your goat, your eat, it might vary. So I can't tell you it will take 40, 50 an hour to cook it depending on your stove. So once you reach your desired softness, then you're ready to add your rest of veggies. Now my goat is almost to my liking and it's going to cook some more, so I'm just going to go ahead and add my final veggies and flavorings to it, and I'm going to allow this to cook and simmer until everything is nice and come together, full of flavor and everything. So I'm just going to submerge these potatoes. Of course, you could cut them smaller if you like, but I feel like leaving them all. And of course, right here you could taste and adjust to see if you need more salt or seasoning. Mine was perfect, so I just cover and allow this to simmer and get nice and tender. Now, after for about 2 hours, this is what my goat been looking like. It was so juicy and flavorful, and this was divine. I enjoyed this with some rice and peas and some garden salad, and of course a nice big glass of orange carrot juice on the side. This was super duper tasty. I thank you so much for watching, and guys, if you haven't yet subscribed, hit that subscription, leave me a comment down below, and give me a big thumbs up. Until then, my beautiful people, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.